how to use neon and glowing effects in Filto. First of all, open the Filto app and tap the plus button to start a new project. Select a video or photo you want to edit from your gallery. Once it loads, tap on the effects option from the editing menu. Now scroll through the available effect categories and look for the neon or glow section. Tap on the neon or glowing effect you like and it will be instantly applied to your video or image. You can adjust the intensity or position of the effect depending on the style you are going for. Try combining multiple glow effects for a more creative and eye-catching result. You can also layer it with filters to enhance the overall look. Once you are happy with your glowing neon effect, tap the save button to export your final edit in high quality. Now you know how to use neon and glowing effects in Filto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.